Let's take a look at using VocAlign 6 Pro in FL Studio. Now, although I'm using the Pro version, these concepts can also be applied to the standard version. Let's dive in. All right, so I have some vocal tracks loaded up here. Let's take a listen.
I fight all your fire, carry your pain until it's lighter. If I could, I would cry all your teardrops, wash them away, lift you up higher.
All right, overall, not a bad performance. There are some timing issues that I'd like to take care of, as well as some tuning issues that I can fix with a new feature in VocAlign 6 called Smart Pitch, which we'll get into a bit later in the video. So you'll see I have my main lead vocal track up here, and I've already done a tuning pass, and I'm pretty happy with where that's sitting, and I want to use that as the guide to align the rest of the tracks to. So in FL Studio, the way this works is I'm going to select the ones that I want to align, and I'm going to load an instance of VocAlign onto those. So you'll see I have it loaded up here, and you'll see the brand new interface, which we'll get into a bit later in the video. And you'll notice it says Guide from Sidechain. So this is on one of the doubles, and I want to send the lead track as a sidechain to this. So what I have to do is go to the lead, and then right-click and go to sidechain to this track. That's going to send the lead signal to the plugin. And I can do that for the rest of these tracks. Now, one other thing you have to take care of is you have to set up some of the settings in FL Studio. So I'm going to click the settings cog on this plugin, and I'm going to go to processing, and I want to choose 1 here. That means it's taking the signal from channel 1 and it's going into the plugin. So I have to set that up. Now with that set up, I can actually just grab this and drag it over to the other channels, and it's going to save those configurations. So there it is there. And I'll do the same thing with the last channel. So just drag it in. And just to double check, we'll go here to the settings cog, processing, and you'll see it says 1. Perfect. So in FL Studio, we don't have ARA functionality, so we have to capture these vocals in real time. Now to do that, you can choose any instance of the plugin, and you can hold Shift on the keyboard, and you're going to click Capture. And then you can go ahead and press play.
I fight all your fire, carry your pain until it's lighter. If I could, I would cry all your teardrops, wash them away, lift you up higher. If I could, I would take your place.
All right, so I have the audio capture. Let's take a quick listen to what it sounds like.
I fight all your fire, carry your pain.
Already it sounds much, much better. It's already aligned. So let's take a look at the UI and how we can navigate around VocAlign. So I can use this to scroll around the captured audio, and I can drag this to zoom in and zoom out. I can also change the size of the waveforms here, so you can go up and down depending on what your captured audio looks like. And I can open and close the panels. So this is relatively new. I can open these if I'm just working with timing. And if I want to work with pitch and timing, I can open up this panel too, as well as the other panel. Also, while we're here, let's just quickly toggle on and off the match timing function just to see how the audio is shifting. You can see it shift from right to left, so I turn it back on. And you know, it's right in the pocket. This is perfectly aligned, and you can hear the difference right away.
I fight all your fire.
Here's on.
I fight all your fire.
So in VocAlign Pro, we have the ability to match timing, but we also have the ability to match pitch. So I can open up the pitch tab, and then I'll go to the pitch screen here, and you'll see the guide track above and the double track below. So if I go here, I can go like this, and you'll see the waveform shift a little bit. This is the matching of the guide to the double. So if I go tight, you're going to see it's conformed directly to the guide. So everything's sounding pretty great. Let's go to the harmony track because I want to process that just a little bit differently. So that's track 3. I can open up VocAlign Pro, and I'm going to choose a preset here. I'm going to choose slightly loose timing and pitch match unison and tune harmony. Because this is a harmony track, we don't want it to completely conform to the lead vocal here. We want the harmony to come through, but we want to tune it as we go. So let's take a listen now.
I'd fight all your fire, carry your pain until it's lighter.
So you can hear that the harmony track is tuned perfectly to the lead track. Let's just do before.
I'd fight all your fire, carry your pain.
And then after?
I'd fight all your fire, carry your pain, until it's lighter.
Now you'll see we have 3 modes here. We have match all to guide, so that'll take that whole harmony and match it completely to the guide, which we don't want because it's a harmony.
I'd fight all your fire.
You can hear it's an octave down right now.
Until it's light.
And then we have match unison only, so that's going to match only the unison notes that are being sung.
I'd fight all your fire.
Which there isn't any, so we don't need to use that. So match unison and tune non-unison is the best option for this track. So now that we've matched the timing and the tuning to everything, let's have a quick listen to the final result. And it's important to note that we're just previewing the cached version of this in VocAlign.
I'd fight all your fire, carry your pain, until it's lighter. If I could, I would cry all your teardrops, wash them away, lift you up higher. If I could, I would take your place.
It's sounding great. Now, if you want to do any further processing on these tracks, it's important to note that you're listening to the cached version that is in VocAlign right now. So it's not printed yet. So in order to do that in FL Studio, we have to select all of these tracks, and we have to go here to Disk Recording and render selected tracks to WAV files. This is going to print the processing from VocAlign into new tracks that you can further process with other plugins. So I'll go to OK and Start. And then you'll just see the rendered tracks below. So that's using VocAlign Pro in FL Studio. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one.